What a cute and easy etude to learn. This is a great introduction into double stops because you deal with a lot of open strings. There's quite a few open notes that you really don't have to do anything. You just have to make sure that the bow follows the both strings trajectory nicely, and make sure that you don't apply too much force. So although he writes fortissimo in the etude in forte, so it's supposed to be a loud little etude, but I would not go overboard too much, and maybe use accents, that he also gives us quite a bit. And remember that the ringing string will provide a lot of support, tonal support. So that in itself will make things loud. So you don't have to press much harder really to achieve the desired effect. But yeah, these are wonderful little etudes. At least in the beginning, they're pretty simple, pretty easy for people to follow and see how the double stops can be a really interesting experience, fun, and not intimidating at all. So I'm hoping that you're learning something from these little etudes, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your support.